Hello everyone, welcome back on here. Thank you for clicking onto the video. I trust we're all doing well and fine. Today we'll be making some ginger cookies together for our tea or coffee. Sit back, relax and watch me bake. So to start with, in my saucepan I already melted out butter, 100 grams of butter. To that I am adding a tablespoon of golden syrup. I'll just stir that together. Now I am adding or stirring in white sugar. I measured 120 grams of white sugar. If you have a sweet tooth, you can increase that to 150 grams. When that is done, I transfer into a bigger mixing bowl and I will continue the mixing process. Now I am mixing in 1 egg. I mix that together with a wooden spoon. Make sure it is well incorporated. I just added a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of ginger powder, 1/8 spoon of nutmeg powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So I have ginger powder, baking powder, cinnamon and nutmeg powder all mixed together. Now I am sieving in the flour, all-purpose flour, 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Still with my wooden spoon, I am now mixing all of the ingredients to combine together. This recipe is quite simple, straightforward, and the end result is a delicious ginger cookie. Now it is all incorporated. Time for us to roll out into a baking tray rather. So in my pan I just showed us now, I have it already oiled out so that the dough doesn't stick on my palm. I am using my ice cream cutter to scoop it out to help me have an even shape. So now I'm just forming them into rolls on my palm. When placing the balls on the tray, make sure there is space in between because it will actually spread out when you are baking. So we are going to bake for 15 minutes using 150 Celsius temperature. In the oven it is cooking or baking beautifully well. The balls have spread out, and after 15 minutes here we have our ginger cookies. Time for coffee or tea. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.